Hello everybody, this is Ayad Boudiab. I'm a senior application developer and Microsoft certified professional. In this video, I need to show you how to use passing by value versus passing by reference inside a JavaScript function. And as you notice in here, I have two functions. The first one called change string, and I'm passing str as a parameter, and I'm setting the value to a new value. I have another function called change array. I'm passing scores, which is an array of scores, an array of integers, and then I'm setting the actual value, the last value inside that array, to a value of 100. Then I declare two variables, one called myString with the old value, and another variable, it's called myArray. It's a new array with 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. If you notice down here, I have some write statements that says this is the value of the string before I call the function, then I call the function, and this is the value of the string after I call the function. I do the same thing down here for the array, before, call the function, and then after. If I go to Visual Studio over here to my page, right click and then view in browser, that should load the page in Firefox and show me the result of my selection. Here's Firefox. The string before the function call was old value. The string after the function call still old value. That's weird when you first look at it, because I just passed in the parameter, which is called old value, but then I change it to a new value. This is what we call pass by value inside JavaScript. Because if you pass in a parameter, in this case a string, or for example an integer, we call those primitive types. If I pass them to a function, it's only a copy of that variable is passed in. And since what we modified here is actually we modified a copy of that variable, the original one never changed. And that's why you saw that the value was old value and was still old value. On the other hand, when I work with arrays, it's called pass by reference, means the location of that array in memory is passed in, which means any changes I made to that object will be permanently changed. And that's why when I look at the browser, I see that the array before the function call was 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then the one after was 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Therefore, the changes were permanently made for the array, but they were not permanently made for the string. The string case is passed by value, which means only a copy of that value is passed into the function. Any changes you make to the copy, not the original one. But when you pass by reference, which all objects are passed by reference, and arrays are objects in JavaScript, the change to that object will be permanently made, and that's why you saw that an additional value has been added into the array. I hope this discussion of pass by value versus pass by reference is clear to you. If you have any question, please you can always drop us a line. Thank you very much for listening. I'm Ayad Boudiab, and you take care.